Putting together these introductory tutorials has taken several days and is going to take several more days. When they first opened the database in 2018, so many people logged on that it crashed the system. And I feel like that's a lot like my experience right now trying to navigate the database as a non-native, non-Turkish speaker. There are so many obstacles. This afternoon, after writing just half of the next tutorial, I had to go and take an hour nap because of the mental exhaustion. The goal of the channel is to break the database into bite-sized, digestible pieces so that everyone who wants to research can have the least amount of mental and physical fatigue possible. Even with these tutorials, you should expect there to be a steep learning curve. In the next tutorial, I'll discuss some of the obstacles for non-Turkish speakers using the database. I'll make recommendations on some tools that will help your search go more smoothly, and I'll briefly touch on certain search options in the database. The video after that, I will show you how to download the Ottoman Archive Guide in Turkish, import it into Google Translate, and then convert it into a PDF that is searchable. It is not searchable while it is in Google Translate. I hope you follow along and find these tutorials useful. As we learn other tips, we'll be making videos and sharing our knowledge with you. And if there are any tricks that you have found helpful, please share them with us in the comments below.